They are having a war. They're fighting over the last ones. This one's a hogging of mine.
What you do is you take the cup away and then you hold out your hand like that and then...
Just gonna bite your finger.
He's holding on your cup.
Yeah. I like that better. Is yours done?
No. I think the other one wants some. Hey, that's a thumb.
That is my finger, honey.
Yeah, like how he thinks my finger is a post. Emily, look at my thumb.
Ouch.
Here. I can't move the cup because his thumb's on both of my hands. Thank you.
She's gonna keep on trying to come up and see if my clothes are any food. I think he ate them all, and what's left is just the holes.
It's awesome. What's up?
I don't think you have any. I think that's just the hole. I think they ate the seeds from the inside.
This is
See?
a cup. Oh.
He likes me. He's my buddy.
You go home with her?
He thinks I
You
taste
come back to
good.
Tennessee?
Does Elia's finger taste good? Ouch. Ouch.
It doesn't hurt. Do y'all think that hurts? Seriously.
Well, he's like biting the whole thing off.
Hey, that's a watch.
He says there's nothing left in
Hey,
there.
stop it.
Oh. He just bit your finger when you took it away
It
from
doesn't
him.
hurt. It doesn't hurt.
Well, he was doing it to be mean. Oh, his feather fell on my finger.
Hey, mister. That is inedible.
All right. Say bye.
No, he loves me.
He wants to see if you taste better than me. Hi, sweet. Oh.
Haha. Woo.
All right. Say bye. There's nothing left in it. Bye.
Yeah.